as you know, today we are gathered here for English speech. So basically, this speech is based on your SEA marks. So you have to remember to get good marks, and these points are your fluency, your confidence, your pronunciation, and your introduction. So now I am going to announce the name of the student one by one to deliver their speech. So first of all, I will announce the name of the student from class 7. So first student is Astha Kumari.
I am Abdul Bhargava from class 7. I am here to represent a speech on the topic of internet. So listen carefully. First, we talk about advantages of internet. Internet is a convenient and economical mode of communication. Internet is a convenient and economical mode of communication which can result in crashing of system. In conclusion, we decided that we should use internet as per needs. Do not use it on a higher level which cause or affect. Discussion of from class 7. First of all, I want to thank my respected principal ma'am and my teacher. You have given a chance to first speak here. So, today's my topic is advantage and disadvantage of internet.
To all, I am Vedant Parsal from class 7. Today I am sent here to give a speech on the internet. The world is small and is saving seem realistic with the invention of the internet. We all know that the internet has connected the world, people, and distance is no longer a problem. One of the significant features of technology growth happening all over the world because of an internet. The internet changing the
That means to gather thousands of individual networks. It allows access to information